Hi, I'm Chris Voorhees, Executive Sous Chef here at Contemporary Catering, and I'm going to show you how to make an alcoholic summer fruit punch. First thing you want to do, take a little shaker, some ice, little Malibu coconut rum, and that ought to do it. A little bit more for my grandma. She likes rum. I got some triple sec, Hawaiian punch, and we also have pineapple juice, a little bit of OJ, some diced plums, diced black plums, sliced up peaches, a little sprig of fresh mint. Take those, put them in your shaker, make sure it's nice and sealed. Glass, little ice, there you are. A little extra fruit for garnish, a little sprig of mint. I'm Chris, and that's how you make alcoholic summer fruit punch.